Hey girls, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year everyone. I hope everyone had an amazing holiday, an amazing New Year. I know you guys have been like, where the heck have you been, Christina? Because a lot of people have been telling me, I'm waiting on your video. I knew that it had been like a while since I posted because even my mom messaged me today. She was like, hey, how are you? You know, I haven't heard from you, haven't seen you on Facebook because I usually post about my videos on there. But I've actually been sick. So it's been a mixture of like the holidays, my birthday, Anthony's birthday, and then I got sick, and then New Year's. So it had just been a lot. I really wasn't expecting the end of the year to go how it did. So I apologize that I have been MIA on YouTube. But I'm back. I'm ready to take... I'm ready to take on 2019 with you guys, and I'm so excited for all the content that I'm going to attempt to put out. I'm gonna try and be consistent from here on out, so bear with me, you guys. So it's a new year. Everyone has new goals, new New Year's resolutions. Everyone wants to better themselves. I'm just holding this brush. Everyone wants to better themselves, whether that be their body, their health, your skin, your hair. I'm pretty sure we all have some type of New Year's resolution that involves like bettering ourselves. So that being said, I have been getting a lot of questions about skincare and what I do for my skin, how I clear my skin, and all that good stuff. I have posted a skincare video before, but I've really only said what I do for my oily skin. I'll link that video down below so you can go watch that. I really don't want to reiterate everything that I said in that video. So yeah, I'll leave that video linked down below if you guys want to see that. But in this video, I want to kind of introduce something new, something that I've been wanting to try. And it's something that will not only just help oily skin, but it'll help dry skin and any type of skin that you have. By the title, you guys already know that we're going to be making a turmeric face mask. Now, I did not make this face mask how you're supposed to make it, and that's only because I didn't have a lot of the ingredients. So we're going to go ahead and pop over to my kitchen, and I'm going to show you guys real quickly the ingredients I used and how I made this. So the first thing that you're going to need is turmeric powder. You can really use any turmeric powder that you want. I got this one from, I think, DD's Discounts. It was only $5.99. If you don't have a DD's around you, you can also order it off of Amazon, or it can be found at Marshall's and Home Goods as well. But the original recipe that I seen for this actually required like almond milk, like potato flour, yogurt, and honey and turmeric powder. But I don't have potato flour and I don't have yogurt, so today I'm just going to be using turmeric powder, both of these oils that you see here, and some honey. Alright guys, so we are back in the beauty room, and honestly, this looks nothing like, honestly, this looks nothing like it's supposed to, but I just want to test it out today. I'm going to be doing this on my face every single day. When Anthony gets home, I'm actually going to go to the grocery store and get all the other stuff that I need, except for the potato starch or the potato flour. I don't think I'm going to be able to find that, or I think it's actually chickpea powder. But anyways, I don't think I'm going to be able to find that, so I actually read it'd be absolutely fine if you just don't put that. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be putting on my face, which I don't know how this is going to go because there's oil in here and the oil's probably not going to dry. So I'm probably just going to leave this on my face for 30 minutes. Yeah, this is what we're working with, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush this onto my face. I did already cleanse my skin. Just in case you guys want to know, I'll show you. This is what I cleansed my face with. I've been using this for a couple months. I actually really like it. Since I've been using it, I've noticed my face is like a little bit less oily, so I really like that. And then I also scrubbed my face with this exfoliator right here. It does say that it's a gel mask plus a scrub. And sometimes I do use it as a face mask. I literally just let it sit all over my face, which I love it both ways. This is something that I've been using forever. And I go through periods where like I stop using it and then I'll pick it back up and use it again. Every single time I pick it up and start using it again, I'm like, why did I stop using it? It just leaves your face so soft. It leaves your face, I feel like, just a lot more like toned and clear. I just really like this. So that's what I used before I put what I'm about to put on my face. Oh, okay, y'all, I think this is gonna be a fail because it's not. Yeah, this is probably going to be a fail. I can see the turmeric is like coloring my face, which I actually did see that it could stain your face, which that's kind of scary. Yeah, no, this does not feel right. This does not feel... What if I use my hands? No, it's still just sliding off. It's not working, but I'm still going. I've read like a lot of good reviews about this turmeric mask, such as it could like lighten up dark spots, it can lighten dark circles, so definitely want to get that underneath my eye. This looks like tamarindo. In one video I was also saying that like people actually use this to give their face like some natural color. But I don't see how that works for you, girl. Like you gotta be like really yellow tone to use this, right? Like look at it, it's so yellow. Tamarind is also good. Is that what it's called? Tamarind? Yeah. No, turmeric. Tamarind, that's tamarindo. Oh my gosh. Turmeric is also good to help whiten your teeth. I'm not gonna put it on my teeth, at least in this video. Go ahead and wash this off and then we'll come back and see if it did anything. I definitely still have like a yellow wash. Maybe to this side. Maybe I didn't wash this side good enough. I don't know. I don't think that I have any type of like glow, or honestly I don't feel like it did anything. So that was a huge fail. I only had that on for 5 minutes compared to like 30-45 minutes. That's nothing. So I didn't give it a fair. Oh, my face feels so good, but I don't know if that's because of the charcoal gel face mask and scrub, or because of what I just put on my face. Now I just gotta wait for Anthony to get here. That way we can go to the store and get what I need so we can successfully try this face mask. Alright, so we're back and I went to the grocery store. I got some almond milk and I remade my mixture. I just didn't put any oil, so I did just the turmeric, the honey, and the almond. I was about to say almond oil. And the almond milk. Let me show you what this looks like. So that looks a lot better already. It's not like slimy and it doesn't look like tamarindo. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face. I did wash my face. It's also the next day. When I got home from the grocery store yesterday, I just started cooking and I completely forgot to finish this video. So it's currently the next day, early morning. This obviously, as you can see, is much easier to go on. It's literally just like any other face mask. Ow, Nino. Anyways, before I was interrupted, as you can see, it's just like any other face mask that you would apply. It's a little chunky. I should have showed y'all my skin, like a close-up of my skin before, that we can see if this really does anything. Today I'm going to keep this on for like 30-45 minutes just until it dries. People like rave about this mask and says that it does wonders. It's supposed to lighten your dark circles too, so you want to make sure that you do get it like underneath your eyes. First way that I did this with the oil, it did stain my face some, and I'm wondering, oh, is that just because of the oil, or is this like going to stain my face? If you guys don't follow me on Snapchat, first of all, go follow me on Snapchat. I try to post on there a lot. I definitely post on there more than I do on YouTube. But I've been posting my new puppy on there. So I did get a puppy. And he's the cutest little thing. I'll show y'all in just a second. Pretty sure y'all can hear him like playing down here at my feet. Oh, and then another thing that this mask does is remove your facial hair. I watched a video on Promise Fan doing this mask, and she said that it either removes your facial hair or lightens it, or just helps it to not grow back. Something to do with facial hair, and I was like, oh yes, yes. So this is my new little baby. His name is Nino. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. So he is getting a little bit fatter. So this is our new little baby. No, don't like my face. All he does is eat, sleep, poop, and play. It's so cute, and I love him so much. I'm gonna put him down. Say bye. Bye. I'm gonna go ahead and make me some breakfast while I let this dry, and then I'll come back, show you how it looks dry, and we'll wash it off and see our results. Alright guys, so my mask is fully dry. I've had it on for like probably an hour just because I got like sidetracked. I was talking to my sister on the phone and we can talk for forever. So this is what the mask looks like once it is dry. It's not like super uncomfortable or anything like that. The only thing about this mask that I don't like is the smell. It smells like really, you know, spicy, and not spicy like hot spicy, but like spices, you know, which of course you have a spice on your face, so duh. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and then I'll be back and we'll see if this actually did anything at all for my skin. Okay, so this is my face with the mask washed off, and I don't see anything that like, I don't see any like major changes. My skin does feel like a lot smoother, and it does kind of have like this glow. You can't really see it on camera much. My face is kind of stained yellow, but that's okay. I don't really mind it that much. My hands too. Yesterday my hands were stained really bad and it ended up washing off by the end of the day, so I don't really mind that. To moisturize my face, I'm gonna add these little unicorn essence drops. I'm going to take this Neutrogena. This is a Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum. Take 2 pumps of that, and I'm going to put that all on my face. I am going to continue to use this mask every day for about a week or 2 weeks. And then I will do an updated video and show you guys what my skin is looking like. So I know today's video was a little bit different. I've never done a video like this before, but I didn't want to start 2019 with another makeup video yet again. I just wanted to do something more chill, something that I know everybody would be interested in. Skincare. Everyone wants to better their skin. Everyone wants flawless, beautiful skin. If you guys like the idea of me trying out DIY masks like this, give this video a big thumbs up. And you guys can also leave me a comment down below if you have any ideas on masks that you want me to try or any DIYs that you want me to do. I'm going to start vlogging and just showing you like my day-to-day stuff that I do, maybe vlog a little bit of my workouts. I definitely want to do a what I eat in a day video. I'm definitely gonna do a drunk makeup challenge. So I have a lot of videos that I want to film, so stay tuned. Sorry that it took me so long to get back on YouTube. I'm back and I'm excited for 2019 and what it has in store for us. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Bye. I just washed my face, bro. My Nino babies, my Nino babies. Okay, just don't give me a kisses. Alright, peace.